Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, this little tutorial is a quick one just to show you how to make a topper for your fake donut. Now this particular one is going to be on the lemon theme. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use a fake lemon sauce and fake lemon balls. And without further ado, let me show you how you do that. Okay, so first of all, we've got our pre-made fake donut. And if you check out my other tutorials, you'll see how to make that donut and be ready to make from this one, like this one. So without further ado, let me show you how you do that. So what we need to do first is we need to have a lemon sauce. Now, I found the best way to do that is to use some acrylic paint and a yellow colour. So this one's called lemon yellow. So I'm going to use that. So all I'm going to do is just open it and use my fingy and just go around the top like so and put the paint on there. So there you go, you can see that. And then all I'm going to do is put that round so it looks like a lemon sauce, I suppose. And we won't need any glue to stick the lemon balls on because the paint will act as the glue. Okay, so there you go, guys. So all you do is very easy, just go around quickly with the yellow, like so, and try to make it fairly thick like it would be in real life. Okay, and get it around the edges as much as you want. I mean, you could do the whole lot, inside and the outside as well, but I like this look. But you may like it completely covered with lemon flavouring. So there you go. So there, we're going to put all that on like so. So I think that's enough. Okay, so we've got that part done already. And now we're going to use our polystyrene balls. Now here's some I had from another project. So they're the ones I'm going to use. Now when you use these, they are very, very light. So be really careful because as soon as you open the bag, they usually come out. So I just need to find a clever way to keep them under control. But if you guys know of any clever ways to keep these little balls, polystyrene balls under control, let me know, okay, in the comments below. Okay, so all I'm going to do is tip some, whoops, that's quite a lot. Let me try and do that a bit better for you guys. Tip some all the way around. Let me turn that slightly, like so. So that's all you need. You don't need many of these. Oh, see what I mean with the wind? See, even moving my hand over it, sort of, it catches them. They are so light. Okay. See, look. They're moving around. It's quite spooky, doesn't it? Quite like that. Okay, so we're going off to a tangent again. So there you go, guys. Here we've got our lemon sauce and lemon balls topper for your fake donut. And what do you think, guys? I really love it. It looks absolutely amazing. So you just put that to one side and let it dry, and then you can display it in any way you see fit. So there you go. So that was another quick topper for your fake donuts. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.